The Glamour Edit by High Life exhibition is here at Le Méridien for 2 days, that is 3rd and 4th of February. Collection में उनके पास everything bridal, festive. If you want something in hair accessories, they have lovely options in footwear also. उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे सुंदर ज्वेलरी के भी options आपको मिल जाएंगे. साड़ीज हैं, 3-piece सूट सेट्स हैं, इंडो वेस्टर्न्स हैं. So swipe left to see the collection in detail. Look at these beautiful statement pieces that they have here. उसके साथ साथ उनके पास यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options हैं in jewelry. So if you like something in polki, they have that. Beautiful options in these also. Let me show you one piece. Look at that. This is beautiful. पूरा अगर bridal set option में चाहिए, something in mala if you want, then they have options in that too. पूरा layered में if you like something. Look at this also, almost like a Hasli style. They have beautiful options in those too. Then these very delicate, cute options in piercings as well as ear cuffs. They have lovely options in these multicolored stone options. Some jewelry for men as well. Look at that. Very pretty kadas. Some more options in jhumkas. Okay, look at that. Very smart, regal actually. A lot of options in. At this particular stall आपको बहुत ही सुंदर options of these boho bags तो मिलने ही वाले, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ you are going to find lot of options in these footwears with every type of footwear is available. Chic, smart, comfortable, vacation wear से लेके पूरा festive wear is available here. So you'll find these jutti style, then you'll find something in these embroidery ones, something in these blingy ones are also available. Open toes में भी बहुत सुंदर options हैं. अगर आपको everyday routine work के लिए चाहिए, these are very very comfortable. Then they have these options. Look at this. Okay, alright. I also like these. Are very comfortable also. Very smart looking. Look at that. Something like this for your destination weddings या फिर vacation wear के लिए अगर कुछ चाहिए. अगर bridal wear style में कुछ चाहिए, look at that. Pura blingy. A very interesting stall all together, so you can get lots and lots of options. Love. So at this particular stall, आपको kids wear मिल जाएगा. That is very cute. These are for teenage girls के लिए. If you want something, then they have options for teenage girls. Look at the color options. Beautiful शरारा set के साथ दुपट्टा भी है available. All right. So beautiful options, very cute collection है उनके पास. ये पूरा stall is very cute. Then something for your little princesses. Look at that. Pastel options are also available. How cute. Cute hearts are embroidered on this chaniya choli style. Lovely. Okay. Beautiful. And now we can check out the boys collection as well. That is equally smart, suave. Look at that. पूरा शेरवानी स्टाइल में या फिर 3-piece कोटी स्टाइल में भी नेहरू जैकेट के साथ it's available. This is a kurta pant. Look at that. So at this particular stall, you're going to find lovely options in 2-piece cotton sets. These are quad sets. You'll find a lot of options in these with variety of colors, patterns, designs, and since they are cotton, they're very very beautiful, easy breezy to carry. Just look at this piece, it's very pretty, perfect for Ahmedabad summers. They have lots and lots of options displayed here as well. I personally love all these, but the red one is my favorite. So do check them out. Let me also show you few more options that they have here. So as you can see, this lovely green, this looks also very pretty. They also have these smart options in shirts and one pieces too. At this particular stall, you're going to find all the beautiful things that we need for our hair. So basically hair accessories हैं, very cute options. Look at that. There's a lot of options in these. Pinterest worthy hairbands. Look at that. They have hair extensions also. These very pretty bows. Lovely. Something for cute little ones. Then they have these floral clutchers. They have these scrunchies. में भी बहुत सारे options हैं. Look at that. So the entire stall is full. They have extensions also. So you can try hair extension also. Look at that. How smart.
એમને પહેરાવ્યું છે 1500 રૂપિયા.
So they have all things hair basically. You'll find a lot of options in clutches also. Hair clips. So इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल पे आपको बहुत ही सुंदर ड्रेस मटेरियल के ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. लुक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, द वेरी ट्रेंडिंग रस्ट ऑरेंज कलर. Look at this also. इसके पूरे बॉटम में there's embroidery work that is done. Then they have the beautiful dupatta work done. So these are also perfect for gifting या फिर अगर आपको किसी को फेस्टिव पे देना है, वेडिंग फेवर्स में अगर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट्स एक्सचेंज करनी है, then ये सारे ऑप्शंस आर वेरी प्रिटी. और इफ यू वांट टू गिव इट टू समबडी हु स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम यू, या फैमिली मेम्बर्स हो सकते हैं, फ्रेंड्स हो सकते हैं, दे कैन गेट इट स्टिच्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर साइजेस. दिस इज द perfect thing about dress materials that you can get them in so many options. Look at the options जो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले में इनके पास लगे हुए हैं. These are all very pretty, beautiful. So at this particular stall you are going to find lovely options in jewelry. If you're a bride, if you're a bride to be, or if you're somebody who loves these beautiful royal looking jewelry pieces, please do check them out. They have lovely options in chokers, long malas, and they have beautiful options in these earrings also. Look at that. If you like something like this, they have beautiful options in colors also. Lovely. Just look at that. Ear cuffs में तो बहुत सुंदर options हैं उनके पास. Overall, the jewelry is very very pretty. Look at that. Then they also have these malas equally. And look at that. The stall is already full because the collection is beautiful. तो आप यहाँ पे definitely आके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. बहुत सुंदर ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे. कलरफुल मालाज एंड बीड्स में भी बहुत सुंदर ऑप्शंस हैं. एज वेल एज कंटेम्प्रेरी पीसेस में भी उनके पास बहुत डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस हैं. सो इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल पे आपको बहुत ही सुंदर ब्लाउजेस के ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. ये सारे रेडीमेड ब्लाउजेस हैं. बहुत सुंदर ऑप्शंस हैं. स्लीव्स पे काम किया हुआ है बैक डिटेलिंग के साथ. सो इसमें भी आपको बहुत सुंदर कलर ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. लवली. लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल. सो स्लीव डिटेलिंग के साथ यू फाइंड कलर ऑप्शंस, वेराइटीज. उसके साथ साथ look at that. अगर आपको सिंपल ऑप्शंस चाहिए तो देन सिंपल ऑप्शंस आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. वेरी प्रिटी. उसके साथ साथ दे ऑल्सो हैव दुपट्टा ऑप्शंस. दे हैव लवली ऑप्शंस इन दीज बांधनी, देन ऑर्गेन्जा टिश्यू, आई सी पटोला ऑल्सो, एंड दीज ड्रेस मटीरियल एज वेल. तो इसमें भी लोग एट द वैरायटी दैट दे हैव. किसी पे खाट वर्क, मरोड़ी वर्क, ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस ऑफ ड्रेस मटेरियल्स आर हियर. उसके साथ साथ ब्लाउज पीसेस के भी उतने ही ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. कलर ऑप्शंस, वैरायटी, पैटर्न्स, तो ब्लाउज पीसेस भी अवेलेबल. इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल पे आपको बहुत ही सुंदर 3 पीस सूट सेट ऑप्शंस मिलने वाले हैं जिसमें आपको पेस्टल कलर्स हैं. देन दे हैव लवली प्रिटी वाइब्रेंट कलर्स ऑल्सो. लुक एट दैट. रानी पिंक में ऑप्शन है. ब्यूटिफुल. ओके. एंड वी हैव मोर ऑप्शंस एज वेल. लेट्स चेक आउट. एकदम ब्राइट रेड में अगर आपको जाना है तो वो ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल है. Look at that. These are all 3 piece suit sets that you can get. ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस. आपको अलग अलग वर्क मिल जाएगा. थोड़ा बहुत स्लीव में काम मिल जाएगा. दुपट्टा है. Look at that. This is also very pretty. Lovely. All right. Beautiful options. Lovely. Let's check out some more options also. Yes. यहाँ पे ये जो सारे ऑप्शंस लगे हुए हैं these are all displayed and इसमें भी उनके पास और options are available. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So they have lovely options in these sleeve work detailing dresses and they have color options too.